A big one that we've found, which is really helpful now, is through their iPads they can take the pictures of the cars before they move them and put them onto the files. So there's accountability for every vehicle that comes in and what we're doing on the vehicles.
TechMan has improved our day-to-day operations as we know what each of our technicians is on and when. We can also see if they've gone over their allocated time, so we can make sure that we're charging for the correct hours. And also it's increased accountability on jobs. So if there's any issues, we have a few apprentices, we can actually see kind of what they've done and where they've gone wrong if they have, and then we can rectify it from there.
The technicians can see what jobs are on. They can do that from first thing in the morning, so it works really well for them. And then again, the guys in the office can distribute the work quite well. So yeah, it's been working really well for us. With a bigger team, it's essential.
On them. Obviously, when it's all integrated on a system and the tablet, it would just made the world of difference to the organisation of the workshop, the loading of the workshop, the allocation to the technicians. It was just night and day basically in organisation of the business as a whole.